In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 3 different accounts that Take Profit Trader has: the test account, the pro account, and the pro plus account. However, before we do get started, I want to remind you guys right now, Take Profit Trader is having a 50% sale off all their evaluation accounts. And if you click on the link in the description box down below, it'll bring you to the homepage right here. And up at the top, you should see where it says use code epitome. Left click on that code. Bottom right hand corner of your screen, you can see it's copied to the clipboard and ready to be used on checkout. So if you want to make sure you get the best deal on Take Profit Trader, use the links in the description box down below. So during the live stream this week, we had a discussion and traders were asking, Mike, is it worth it to go ahead and move to the Pro Plus account? And we're going to talk about what the differences are. The first one, if you look at the environment, we can see the Pro account is essentially a sim account in which you can get paid out on the profits that you make. In the Pro Plus account, all the orders are actually routed to the exchange. So in the Pro Plus account, you would actually be considered a professional trader. Now, another huge difference out here is going to be the profit split. Notice in the Pro account, the trader only gets to keep 80% of the profits. However, in the Pro Plus account, the trader gets to keep 90% of the profits. If we look at the maximum withdrawal, basically the same. There is no max, but however, when we start to look at the buffer, notice the Pro account, yes, does have a buffer. The Pro Plus account does not have a buffer. The buffer is essentially what the drawdown is for that account. So in this case, if you're trading with a 50K account, the end of the day trailing drawdown is $2,000. Therefore, the buffer is $2,000. You must make $2,000, and then anything over and beyond that, you can then, in that point, start to withdraw. So in the Pro Plus account, you no longer have to worry about that buffer. Daily loss limit has been removed from all accounts. Drawdown type, exactly the same as it was in the Pro account. In the Pro Plus account, it's also the intraday trailing drawdown. News rules, they both have the same news rules. However, are there any other advantages or disadvantages? Well, if we come right up here to where it says knowledge base, we click on that. And if we come over here and we start looking at the Pro Plus account, and if we click right here where it says benefits of Pro Plus account, here's some of the benefits that Take Profit Trader lists. For instance, Pro Plus accounts are zero margin live accounts that have the following benefits. And what zero margin means is you don't have to use the monies that you have in that account to pay for the margins for any contracts in which you're day trading. Another pro is going to be that 90-10 profit split that we talked about earlier, where the trader gets to keep 90% of the profits. Trader directly routed to the exchange, not sim. I don't know if that's actually a pro because you can get better fills in the sim account. No buffer requirement. I do think this is going to be a pro. And it basically says right here, once you reach $5,000 in profit in the Pro account, you'll be presented with the opportunity to go ahead and move to a Pro Plus account. Now, if we come over and look at the setup process, you can see right here, it usually takes 1 to 2 days, but something that Take Profit Trader does that a lot of other prop firms does not do. And that's going to be the fact that if you come over here and look at market data, moving to a Pro Plus account is considered becoming a professional trader by the CME. This transition comes with professional market data fees, which are covered by Take Profit Trader. A lot of other prop firms that move you to a live account, they're then going to go ahead and make you pay $135 per exchange. So again, this is another benefit of Take Profit Trader. However, Take Profit Trader is only going to cover the exchanges that you traded when you were in your Pro account. Now, for instance, for me, the basic CME package would be fine. That covers the S&P 500. That covers the NASDAQ. That also covers the Russell 2000. Now, if you want to learn and see what happens once you're traded in an evaluation phase and you have then hit your profit target without hitting your drawdown, and you want to see what the next steps are to getting into a Pro account, then make sure to watch this next video right here.